Morning everybody, Belinda here. Today I'm doing a birthday pour, and so we're doing something a little different. I know everybody else does it on canvas, but you know, I'm always looking for something different. So I have my level here, and of course it's a cake, it's not 100% level, but you know, we can work with it. And let's just set that aside, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and layer my cake. So I'm going to cover it, and I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and covered this on the top, and I've left the sides, although I probably could do with some on the sides, and I'm just going to layer my cup. So, of course this is not paint, it's icing, and it's pretty thick if you'd like to see the consistency. It does look a bit grainy, but I guess that's what you get. So I've decided to do a colander pour. I might just put a little bit more white in there just to separate those out. I haven't done this before, so let's hope it works. I can tell you this, it's going to be one big sugar rush. So I have a friend with me today who's actually helping film. So I keep thinking, while I'm pouring it, I keep thinking, oh, my paint is sinking, but it's not paint, is it? So I'll just cover that a little bit with the white. And my Bordeaux red, just kidding, it's just red, it's food colouring. At least if it doesn't work, it's edible. Seems like a lot of icing. But I always say that with all my paint as well. Seems like a lot, and it is. So I just want to finish this off. And let's go in with some of this blue on top of the red. You have to work fast because it's sinking. When it sinks like that, it means that one of your colours is too thin or too thick. think I'll be scraping the people, the guests off the floor with this. Okay, let's see. Well, that's sitting pretty flush on the bottom there. You can come this side if you want. And there comes the white. And guys, if you haven't seen any of my other colander pours, my other videos, you know, go ahead and have a look. And again, it's a lovely cup. It's a lovely cup of icing sugar. Oh, it's running here, there and everywhere. Okay, I'm going to turn this a little bit because this cake seems to be a little lopsided. I'm going to lift it very, very slowly. And hopefully I'm going to get my effects on the top. There's a lot of icing. Whew. No effects, no effects, no effects. I need to grab some of this icing. It's running away. Bit of a shame that the effects didn't come out on the top. But, you know, we can always work with it. I need to get rid of some of this icing. It looks way too much. It's actually made some really pretty colors though. It's kind of like purple. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is, see, fortunately with it being so, it's just sugar, you can just throw it away really. Wash it down the sink. When in doubt, add more. Yeah, okay, it's not what I was after, but that's okay. See how it's sloped there? It's all pouring off on that side because it's not level. Okay, so the friend of mine's giving me the straw now, so what do you think that means, guys? Oh, to level the plate. I think that's something better, really. I thought you wanted me to do the blow thing with the straw. You guys know what I'm talking about. I'm just going around and covering all of the edges so everybody gets a proper sugar rush. Alright guys, I'm going to scoop all this up off camera and I will do the outro when I'm done. So although this didn't come out exactly how I envisaged it, I still think it came out really nicely. There's a whole heap of hearts around the edges that would have been from the colander. As you can see, all those cool red lines. I will be doing a colander pour on canvas, so stick around and then you can have a look. But let's cut this bad boy. I wish you were all here so that you could have a piece. It is gluten free though. Please hold the camera over there. So let's see what it looks like inside. I have a little piece because it's so high. Looky there. So that's chocolate and vanilla. Chocolate, vanilla. All gluten free. Have a look inside there. Thank you. It looks pretty awesome. Well, thanks for watching guys, and stick around for the next one. Thank you. Bye. Hi everybody, welcome back. Belinda here. Right, so this is going to be the colander pour, and this is a 12 by 12 inch canvas. I'm going to just pour in my paints. So I haven't done a proper colander pour in quite some time. So let's hope for good results. Clearly I'm indecisive. So my paints are quite thick. Just a mound on a mound on a mound. So I have light blue, dark blue, and this is magenta, and all the links for my paint are below. And some more blue. So this is part of my birthday pour, my birthday being the 1st of December, so for a couple of days from today. Get some more white on top. Hopefully that should do it. More magenta. That's plenty of paint. Okay, let's do this. See what magic we get out of this cup. I want to get the last of that white out there.